Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a mystery box. I got this off of Amazon for like $35. It is the All Eyes on You Complete Eye Box. So we're gonna open this puppy up and see what is inside. Okay, so when you first open it up, it's got this packaging that says, "Hey Boo." And the first thing in this box is a lash comb from Revive. It's a fine-toothed folding lash comb, gently separates lashes for flawless, clump-free lashes. Use before applying mascara to prep lashes and during or after mascara application for longer looking perfectly defined lashes. And the cat wants out, so I will be right back. Alright, now there's a box in front of the door. Okay, so we're going to open this up. Give it a little look-see. It's a little comb. Okay, so I have mascara on currently. With the comb, without the comb. Okay, this is kind of nice. Could be useful. Just gonna let it live in its little case. Next thing is a travel mirror by True Beauty. Fits easily into any bag or pocket. Comes with a little pouch. And here's the little mirror. It's all sticky. Okay. Just slips into the pouch. It's really small, and I guess I like that. Next is a Bella Beauty eyebrow stencils. 5 stencils and eyebrow brush included. So this is the packaging. How do you open this thing? They really have to go and make it difficult, don't they? Okay. Guess the packaging doesn't really matter, since it's just going to go into the recycling anyways. Oh, I flung that across the room. Okay, so it's got a little brush with it. And then it's got all these little like stencils, and you just pop this out. So if you want a smaller arch, just kind of go like that. It's got petite arch, full arch, high arch, slim arch, and medium arch. And then we've got under eye patches. Refreshes, relieves tired eyes, helps remove toxins, reduces puffiness, swelling, and diminishes dark circles. Okay, so it's like a under eye mask. And then we've got eyelash curler and mascara, which I've been needing a new eyelash curler as well as a new mascara. It's been a couple months. Next I've got a makeup guide. Includes suction cup. It looks like it's just for eyeliner. Going to open that one up. So it comes with this little suction cup. It's also got, if I can get it out of here, screw it. Okay, so it says place suction here. There we go. And there's this little like silicone thing that you put right there, and it makes it so you can get a nice winged eyeliner. Okay, I guess you're supposed to like stick it to the wall or something. Yeah, that doesn't work. So suction cup is bunk. Going in the trash. We've got a lash applicator. This one is like an iridescent color. Just like a giant thing of tweezers. And then we have the Little Black Book of Lashes, 6 pairs. So this is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 3. This one's number 4. Here's 5. And 6. All right. Just gonna close that back up. That is, looks like it was everything. So that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, leave me a comment down below. I got this eye look by following Ann Nook's soft matte brown eyeshadow tutorial. It's a very nice look, and I like that the camera doesn't show that I have had a little bit of some breakouts today, except like right here. That's like, I don't know, it's like my skin condition acting up. I don't know. But I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!